Hello and welcome to this training session on the MM04 transaction in SAP. Today we will explore how this transaction is essential for managing and tracking changes made to the material master data. The aim of this session is to familiarize you with the MM04 transaction, understand its importance in the management of the material master data, and teach you how to use it effectively in your daily work. The MM04 transaction is a powerful tool in SAP that allows users to view the history of changes made to a material master data. This includes changes such as modifications to prices, items descriptions, and other important attributes. Understanding and tracking these changes is crucial for inventory management, internal auditing, and maintaining data integrity. It helps businesses ensure the accuracy of item information and maintain good data governance practices. Let's go now in SAP, and here in the transaction barcode, we will enter the transaction in question, MM04 display material change documents. So let's execute it. This is the selection screen where you will have the possibility to filter or to make your selection for the specific materials you would like to display the changes. So you can enter either here directly the material number. You can enter the change number, because for each changes for a material, a change number will be assigned in order that you can track the history. You can here specify the plans, the sales organization, and so on. So a lot of information on which you can filter to find the appropriate material you are looking for. So for example here, let's write, for example, our material WMS402, we can press enter, or here we can just execute it. This is the list of all the changes made for this specific material. So you have in this list each changes with some specific information. You have the date, on which date this change has been done, the time also, to have the specific hour, minutes, and second. And here, which is also quite important, is the user. So you can display here which user made the modification and thanks to which transaction. So MM02, MM01, C223, and so on. And if you would like to go deeper in the change, so to understand which field has been changed, for example, you can just double click on the appropriate line and understand the value and the meaning of the change. So you can see the action, it has been changed for this specific organizational unit, the plant 1210, and this field has been changed. The default storage location for external procurement. This is the old value and this is the new value. So for this change, you will be able to see all the fields that have been changed or modified, even if it's a new value and without any old value, for example. But in that case, this was the old value and it has been replaced by this user on this date and time by this value. So thanks to that, you will be able to see which changes, which modifications have been done directly on the material master you are looking for, and then you can track easily the changes directly done in the material master. Thanks to you for watching this video. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel if you like our content and to visit our website to know more about SAP. See you soon!